Right, well the first thing to do is to just line up the vise using a square. I'll give you a rough position. Just pinch it up a little bit. Not too tight, because we want to adjust the vise accurately. So we bring down the and we're just going to set this up to 0. Dial gauge indicator set at 0. Now we'll wind the vise along. In this instance I'm going to use a power drill to speed things up. And we are quite a bit out there, so what we're going to do is just tap that halfway, so we're talking 14,000, so we're going to come back to 7, so we'll tap back to 7, and then we'll just 0 up the dial indicator again, and we'll now whip the vise back. So we're still well out, we need to come back. So what we'll do is just tighten up one a little bit more than the other, and we'll come back to about 6. 0 up the indicator again, and go back along. Now you see we're starting to get close. Now we're down to 5, so we need to just bring the vise down to about 2.5. 0 up again. Yeah. And spin the vise up to a... I'm not doing well here. What's wrong is I've actually tightened up both sides too much, I think. So we need to go back about there, I think. Zero up the vise again. There we are. Spot on. So exactly on target.